Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to translate messages on WhatsApp. So first, open your WhatsApp application, open a chat where you want to send translated text and messages. Type a message, then click the microphone button below, then say something. For example, please like and subscribe to our channel. Now once you're done, select all text from this menu, swipe left until you see Translate. Tap Continue and choose Change Language. Now you can translate the message to any language you like. We have a wide selection, so just choose and enjoy this feature. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.